Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Cooking black chickpea, also known as kala chana, in the instant pot couldn't be easier. Black chickpeas or kala chana are higher in fiber and iron but have similar protein and carbohydrate content to garbanzo beans or white chickpea. I have shared a recipe link for instant pot garbanzo beans in the description box below. Please do check it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to cook the black chickpea, also known as kala chana, in the instant pot. All we need is black chickpea, a pinch of salt and a water to cook. I am soaking the 1 cup of chickpea overnight. You can soak the chickpea ahead or you can just dump and start. In that case, the cooking time may be vary. The next day morning, just rinse the chickpeas once and drain the water. Add the chickpea to the inner pot, a pinch of salt and 2 cups of water. Close the lid and seal the vent. Pressure cook the kala chana for 15 minutes. If you are not soaking the chickpea, cook them for 30 to 35 minutes. Once the instant pot is done cooking, let the pressure release naturally or release the pressure after 15 minutes. Once the pin goes down, open the lid. You can use this water for making curries. Look at that, kala chana cooked perfectly. Enjoy this chickpea in your salad, soup or to make curry with it. Store this black chana in an airtight container and refrigerate it for a week or freeze it for longer use. Do try this black chickpea or kala chana in the instant pot and stay healthy. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.